Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply invite someone to Microsoft Teams. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is, like, there are actually two ways how we can do it. Go to left top corner and you're gonna see here in a four-way, let me show you, invite people, right? So you just invite the members here, or you can like write it here, and I'm going to just write email address here, right? Click add. And you just wait until it loads, and this Gmail address is going to be invited. And then when like the guy is going to activate it, like it's me because it's my mail, I just add it. You can see it also here. Like then you're gonna see it here in your friend list. So yeah, in your chat here, when I would not like write a chat, I can actually message him. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.